So KitchenAid Dishwasher, original complaint was that it would run when you wiggle the door, it would turn on and off. Now currently it's not responding at all, so we're going to access the electronic. On the perimeter we have the Torx. Separate the door. We're going to spin the door around so we can see it. And since we don't have any power today, here we go. We had our connection here come out. So that's there. So what we're going to do though is, because when I was here last time we could wiggle this in and out and the latch wasn't keeping the unit on all the time. So we're going to go ahead and replace this latch assembly. And on it there are a couple of tabs that we're going to press down to slide it out. Then with it out, we can take out the wiring. Take the new one, plug it in. Clip it into position. And when we took it apart, our seal, this is probably the most difficult part of the job, getting this seal to line up properly. Go ahead and we will test it. Hit normal, hit start, close it. Now what would happen before, obviously we see it's illuminated. When I would wiggle and pull on this, it would turn off. So that's why we ended up ordering and replacing the latch. So we'll verify that it's going to run a test cycle here, and that should complete our repair.